So we've tried window film on a window and it just looks a bit messy, didn't look very nice. But we've got this frosted glass paint. So what do we have in our box? So we've got a roller, we've got some gloves, we've got masking tape, and then we've got a tub of frosted paint. So instructions are to clean the glass surface, cover the edges with painted area with masking tape, attach the roller to the handle, shake or stir the frosted plate before use, use the roller brush to apply and paint the target area. So I'm going to show you my window and what we're going to do. So this is the greenhouse windows I'm going to paint. So making sure they're all clean and dry. A lot of the dirt is on the outside. And then we're going to take our masking tape and just mask around the edges. Great, the kit comes with masking tape. It's all ready to go. Nothing else extra to purchase. And that's great. So, tape around the edges. There we are, all ready. So we're going to take our pot of paint. This is quite a big tub, don't say how big it is. Clean the glass surface, cover the edges of the painted area with masking paper, attach the roller, shake or stir. Use the roller brush to apply paint on the target area. If you want a stronger matte finish, apply a second coat after 30 minutes and wash the roller. Let stand for 12 to 24 hours. So, let's have a go. This is what we got. So it's annoying the roller doesn't quite fit. So I'm just going to roller it straight out of the pot, just dripping off any excess, and then roller. There we go. So I did the film went all bubbly, wasn't very nice. There we go. Trying to make sure the lines disappear. How's that? So we're going to let that dry. In about 30 minutes we can come back and repaint the glass. While that's drying, I'm going to do the second window. There we go. Well, there we go at the second one. There we go. So here we go with the second coat. It's looking really, really good. Really, really good. So we can remove the tape. And then we've got our blanked out windows. Look at that. It's really, really good. Really pleased with that. So there we go. That's the glass frosted paint. And we can see our windows. They're looking really good now. Really, really good. So I'll add a link in the description below and have a look and see if it's any good for your windows, for that frosted window effect. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, send me a hype, and that'd be great for the channel. And we look forward to seeing the next video on our channel. Cheers!